Hello and welcome to your Thirsty Thursday forecast. Don't forget, if you're socially friendly, you can follow me at the same name on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. I try to make it as easy as humanly possible for you to not only understand the forecast, but to follow me as well. You can get the forecast live if you download the free app Livestream. I chose it only because it's simple, it's free, it's easy to use, and it allows for interactivity between us. You download that app, you follow, it asks you who you want to follow, Jeff Matthews, and you get the forecast 5:55 every day. Triple nickels. Easy to remember, right? Meanwhile, the high average is at 48 for early November now. We're going to be 20 degrees above that for another 2 days. Now, Friday is not going to be one of those days you're going to want to be sitting outside and having lunch because it's going to be windy and rainy as well. But it will be very mild. Beyond that, the next system brings in cooler air for the weekend, but even at 48 Sunday, that's just average. And then it starts warming back up again to the mid-50s very quickly, early and middle part of next week. So, can it get any better in November? Holy Krakatoa! What an unbelievable stretch of weather. Remember this in the winter because these are bonus days. Meanwhile, I'm still downplaying Thursday because I'm expecting the possibility of low clouds and fog to ruin the morning and the storm increasing the clouds late in the day and at night. So that narrows the window for the kind of weather we've had the last couple of days. But there's no change to Friday's change. What? What did he say? Friday, I have no change to the forecast, which brings change. Wind and rain. Now, this is from 2 days ago. Notice all this dry air over the mid part of the country and the eastern seaboard. Storm is moving out to sea. However, now a day later, look at how far north that cloud cover has pushed. It only is affecting extreme New England. So there's very dry air in place, and it's forcing the storminess up into Canada before it ever gets around to us. But that's not the whole story. It's not entirely dry here. It's dry at most layers of the atmosphere, but if we go to the visible imagery, which is what you would see if you look down from space, without any infrared imagery going on, the different spectrums to the eye, look at all that cloudiness. It doesn't show up. That's low-level moisture close to the ground. It's trailing this high-pressure system, so every time the high moves east, it starts growing and growing and growing on the left side of it. It's all the way up to the Dakotas, Minnesota, and Wisconsin now. Remember when it started down in here, and it grew, and it grew, and now it's taking up a huge part of the country, which is seeing low clouds and fog, which is getting tougher and tougher to shake every day out there, and that's going to translate into our backyard, I think, by the time we get into Thursday. And even if I'm wrong, and it turns out better than I thought, certainly Friday, no sunshine. It's dry, though, so the state of New York not seeing any precipitation, no matter how much fog moves in. That high has crested and is moving to our east, and now the clouds from the fog is allowed to form and drip into our backyard. And then as we get into tonight and tomorrow, the high moves off, and the storm moves in eventually and brings us the rain for Friday late morning and afternoon. Meanwhile, here's your almanac. People don't complain when it turns out nicer than I even forecasted. I said 69, it was 72. I heard no complaints. Ha ha! Yeah. Oh, but notice, 10 hours of daylight, 14 hours of darkness. That makes it tough to get to 72. Your forecast is next. You know, with as crazy and unpredictable as the weather has been lately, it's hard to know. Is it too cool for school? Or is it everyone in the pool? I'll let you know on CNYWeathertainment.com. Forecast is now. Fog, low clouds. Probably tough to shake through the morning. Maybe some hazy sun late morning and afternoon. High, 66. That's where you get your kicks. The fog returns tonight. The clouds move in from the storm. The winds begin to pick up. 52 for a low. That's not cool at all. Friday, overcast, breezy, with rain. Late morning and afternoon. High of 68 between the raindrops. The rain shuts off Friday evening. But the clouds hang tough because of the lake on Saturday. They begin to break up Saturday afternoon and evening, especially Oneonta and Otsego County first. And then a mix of sun and clouds for Sunday, and sunny and delightful for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Have a great day.